You're asked to create a welcoming and cozy living space because your client is going through a really difficult time. This is the Decor and Lifestyle Center. Hey, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I'm Charlene, and in today's video, I started this project a couple weeks ago. She was very adamant about what she wanted, and I'm going to allow her to tell you. How you do?
I'm good.
So for today, we'll call her Susie. She like that name. She say cute. Alright, so we'll talk to Susie.
So the color, not coordinated. I needed the space to feel comfortable, cozy, small but cozy and relaxing.
Right.
It started in December, in Christmas. My husband got ill.
Oh.
So I didn't have a Christmas basically.
No.
He was in and out of the hospital.
Oh my.
So he came out, and the week before the New Year's, in the New Year's week, he went back in and he died on the New Year's Day.
Oh no.
So it's very sad.
It is. And condolences before I go any further.
Today now, the space is small.
Right.
And the things in the space just not coordinated.
They're not coordinated.
They're not coordinated. Calling in the Decor Charlene now to do this for me, and also my husband was a part of it when we just started.
Yes, because I remember meeting him when I came here.
He gave me the blessing to go ahead and to do it. So this is another thing that I really want to see manifest.
And I totally agree.
Yeah.
So this is a 10 by 8 space, and the first concern that I'm having is that I want the space to feel open. I want it to feel that it is actually bigger than it is. Luckily, it's painted in a light color, so that alone is giving the illusion of more space. Outside of that, I will edit and see what we're taking away and what we're keeping. Okay, so let's do this. And if you notice, I'm not with my team because this is a small project. This can't happen. It's just a room refresh for the most part.
That when I called you, I didn't mention the death of my husband, but I remember I sat at my desk and something inside of me said, call Charlene and tell her what happened.
Yes.
And I mean, I see you jump at it.
And so that particular conversation was a very enlightening and uplifting conversation. So it wasn't only uplifting you in the moment, it uplifted me in the moment. That me say no.
Me know. And it really touched me.
And me, I live in your house. We'll come with the advice, we'll come with the expertise, but it don't necessarily mean that is where you are presently. And that's okay too. That is okay. Alright, so we could get cracking on this one.
Oh yes, I'm ready, I'm excited.
I know. Alright, let's go.
This is therapy for me. Two things are therapy for me. Getting a spa
treatment,
whatever, these things, shopping, even if I'm not literally buying, but just walking and looking at the nice things, and getting my house in order so it looks cozy.
Yes.
Because it don't have to be expensive.
No.
But I realize I like color coordination makes a difference.
It does.
You know, and that is why I call it on you now to help me with that.
And so I could just tell people before God to say you don't know what is coming in here. You have no idea. She has no idea what is coming in here. Okay. And I like that. Me love that part. For privacy, and because the family was present on the day, I was not able to film the process to show you while I was decorating. When someone goes through loss, the home often needs time to catch up. That's the last thing on your mind. But sometimes it is necessary because you have persons who come over to, spend a little time with you. And my role here was really just to support that transition gently. My career has afforded me the opportunity to create and curate beautiful spaces, enchanting color schemes, and of course functional designs. What is most important is the emotional connection that comes from these designs and collaborations with my clients. If this video felt emotionally charged for you, I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. Don't hesitate to tell me, I want to know, or show your support by liking the video. I did a video a couple of weeks back about business boundaries, and so a lot of the accessories that were used in this project came from that cancelled project. So they were not intended to be used in that project. I learned the lesson that God wanted me to learn, and so the pieces really belong here, and that is what you call divine alignment. There are some pieces that still need to be added, things like lighting. The blinds in the sitting room needs to be changed, and so those things will happen, not necessarily on camera, but I'm thinking the goal for the room was to feel calm and warm and welcoming, a space that feels ready to be lived in. And sometimes your home doesn't need to be changed. It just needs to feel understood.